Hey guys, Taylor here. So I recently did a review of some of the bigger, more well-known hosting companies, and I wanted to just kind of quickly explain my review, just give it kind of an overview of where I'm coming from. Um, so I reviewed iPage, Bluehost, HostGator, GoDaddy, Beyond Hosting, and I have HostMonster and JustHost on this list just for pricing reasons, so you can compare their pricing with Bluehost. But they offer the same product. It's the same company um, that runs all those brands. So basically, what I found was iPage web hosting, in my opinion, right now is probably the best deal. The only downside is they don't offer what's called cPanel, and cPanel is just an interface for managing all your website, uploading files, and all that stuff. They offer a different kind of cPanel type thing, which works pretty well. But I think that's part of why they're able to price so cheap. But from everything I've seen, iPage is really cheap. It's really fast. It offers emails, unlimited files, unlimited bandwidth, and all that fun stuff. So all in all, I think it's probably, as of now, the best option. Bluehost is another well-known hosting provider. They're a bit more expensive, not like super expensive, but closer to like $6-7 a month as opposed to like $2 or $3 a month. They do offer cPanel, so if you want cPanel, I think that's the way to go. They basically offer everything you need in a hosting package. They have good customer service. They've been around for a while. They have good ethics, which I really like. All around, they're quite good. HostGator's another decent company. They're probably a little bit cheaper than Bluehost. They have options to like get a VPS, virtual private server. So if you need to upgrade your hosting from shared hosting to dedicated hosting, that's an option. So if scalability is a big thing for you, I'd say HostGator is probably actually your best bet. Bluehost and iPage are kind of more oriented towards small business, and when I say small business, I mean anything less than probably 10,000 site visitors per month. So if you start getting more than that, you might need to think about upgrading to a virtual private server or a dedicated server. So I think HostGator is the best option if you're getting some more visitors. My only complaint with them is their kind of interface for managing stuff isn't that great, especially if you're managing more than one domain. They have the ability to manage multiple domains, but it just gets kind of tricky, and it gets a little hairy. GoDaddy has some good things. It has some things it does really well, and it has some things that I just don't like at all. One of the good things about GoDaddy is it's pretty cheap. You can get hosting for like $2.99 a month, and you pay monthly. Most other companies will make you pay like the first 3 months, 6 months all up front, and GoDaddy you can just get it and pay monthly. The one thing I don't like is they'll charge you a lot extra for emails. So if you need to set up like 5 or 10 emails, that's not included in the hosting package, the $2.99. With all the other companies I've seen, it is. And GoDaddy kind of has that general idea of pricing everything individually. So initially things look cheap, but then after all is said and done, you might end up paying a little bit more. So that's my one complaint with GoDaddy. Then Beyond Hosting is kind of a VPS hosting. I use them a lot for a lot of my websites. This is only look into this if if your websites are getting more than 10,000 visitors per month. It's kind of a more robust hosting solution that's got really good customer support, technical support. They really know what they're doing. 101 is another kind of newer company here in 2013. They're good from what I've used them. They make everything real easy to set up. I like them all right, but if you're a small business, I'd really go with iPage. Unless you have to have cPanel, in which case I'd go with Bluehost. If you get more than 10,000 visitors, I would go with HostGator. If you get a lot more than 10,000 visitors and you need a high level of customer support, I would go with Beyond Hosting. That's kind of my overall review, and you can read all my reviews for each individual company here. So, yep, I just want to give a quick summary. Feel free to comment. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks, and bye.